Take a ride in the 2002 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear defrost, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.